Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to schedule send on your Gmail. First you have to go to your account, and when you click on the compose email, here you can see in the right upper corner 3 dots. Click on that, and here you can see that the first option is schedule send. Click on that, and here you have 4 options: tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, Monday morning, or pick the date and time. And here you can set your own date and time. And it says for me that all times are in Eastern European Summer Time in my phone, but I'm sure that it will appear something different on your phone if you are in other part of the globe. So this is for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing. Wish you a very beautiful day. Bye bye.